That is so cheap. I feel like I'm getting so many different orders coming. I have spent all my money. Thank you, Clara, for favoriting my sticker. Welcome back to another studio vlog where I am trying to build my art business. So if you're new to my channel, then my name's Carly and I love to draw on the iPad. I'm a self-taught artist and I'm trying to rebuild my art business. Make sure you subscribe if you want to stick around for some vlogs, because I'm kind of taking you on my journey, trying to set everything up. And if you missed my first kind of episode on this, I'll leave it linked here. But yeah, I've just got my coffee and my little Disney cup. Which I've had this for years as well, by the way. But yeah, so I work full time during the week, so I usually just can film at weekends. So it's Saturday today, I'm in my art office and it's 10:10 in the morning right now. So I'm just looking on Amazon, looking to order a few things like sticker paper. Also, I'm gonna order 2 more of these. This is like a little sticker holder thing that I've got. I'll leave a link below to this because it's really cool, it's pretty cheap on Amazon. Then I need to go to Officeworks a little bit later because I want to get some A4 paper and also just have a look at their printers. I'm thinking of getting a new printer today. I'm not sure if I will, maybe this weekend or next weekend, but I need to have a look anyway. And also I want to edit the previous vlog, which I always have to try and fit time in to do as well, so I'll be wanting to do that. This is what I was looking for, the backing card. I've got all of these old cardboard bits ready for backing card for any prints that I send out. So yeah, I was literally gonna order some, but then I was like, oh, I knew I had some of these somewhere. And I've got all these tassels here for bookmarks, so I might put these to use actually. What? I have some stamps here. I didn't know that. I can use them. Definitely think I need some more storage. I might get something to hold these and other things, and also because I can put my folder there as well. That is so cheap. That is, what? For 120 stickers on the sticker sheet from Vistaprint is only $21.59, and I've also got a bit of discount that was $35.99, which is still really cheap compared to No Issue. Oh sorry, that's 250. Hold on, let me just change the quantity. 240 it's got here, or 480. So let's click 240. I might just get 240. $39.59 from $65.99 with discount, you know. I feel like I'm getting so many different orders coming. I've got a diary that I'm waiting for and a washi tape holder which still hasn't arrived. So and then I've just ordered all that stuff from Amazon. Now I'm ordering this from Vistaprint, some stickers. I'm gonna go and buy some stuff from Officeworks. Oh my god. Next on my list that I've just literally made in the last 5 seconds is to get a PO box. I've just thought about it. I was like, I need to get a PO box. I've just always wanted one, you know. I feel like it's very professional to have a PO box instead of just having a parcel locker return address. I don't really like using those. It says here a small PO box is $145 roughly a year. Sunday. I just made my coffee. Actually, this is my second coffee. I have to admit, I have spent like all my money. So I'm not going to be able to buy a printer this weekend. I did go shopping yesterday. You saw a couple of little clips. I got a bit distracted in Target looking at all the clothes, and they have loads of winter stuff out now. And there was just so many things that I liked. I tried some things on. This top, by the way, I'll just stand up so you can see. It's just like, oh, I missed a button. Anyway, it's just like a long sleeve top. I mean, this isn't that exciting, but like I just got a simple black tank top, a long sleeve white top, and some new gym leggings, which are just brown. They're kind of just the same as my ones that I've got already, that are khaki colour. So yeah, I really like them. They fit really nice. So I got those. So my order just came from Amazon, which I only just ordered this yesterday. So I thought I'd just unbox it with you right now, because why not? So I've got one of these little trays. I really like this pink colour, it's really nice. Little pot for my pens. Another little kind of stand for like notebooks and paper and envelopes maybe. And then this as well for like my folder. Let's see if my folder actually fits. I have a feeling it's not going to fit. Oh, look at that. Oh, no, yeah, it's not going to fit. Damn it. How annoying is that? It's too big. Oh, thank you, Clara, for favouriting my sticker on Etsy. I just got a notification to say you favourited the little dog sticker. So yeah, thanks for that. Is what I need. Hello, it's currently 6 o'clock in the evening and I've just got back home from work, but this parcel arrived to me and I just wanted to open it with you. So in this video I thought I'd just put the big light on so you can actually see things a bit better. Yay! So I've got a whole bunch of envelopes. So these are just simple brown envelopes and they have the little sticky peel thing. There's like a whole bunch of different size little trays and pots and stuff. And then I also just got 2 lots of this premium vinyl sticker paper. So yeah, this is the weatherproof vinyl sticker paper, which I really liked.